If you've been following the advances in artificial intelligence for image creation, get ready, because this is big news. The NanoBanana Pro, one of the most talked about models right now, has just arrived at Abacus AI's LLM chat. And this isn't just another new model available. It's a real change in how text, images, and productivity tools work together within a single platform. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this integration is, why it matters, and how you can use it in practice. But first, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Before talking about the integration, it's worth giving a quick context. The NanoBanana Pro is the most advanced version of the NanoBanana, focused on generating and editing images with a high level of visual control. It stands out for three main points: very high image quality, excellent text fidelity within the images, and visual consistency between generations. Now comes the second element of this story, the Abacus AI LLM chat. The LLM chat isn't just a chat with language models. It is a unified platform that brings together multiple models, web search, document analysis, workflows, and now advanced image generation. Well, folks, today I want to talk to you about this integration that has just been announced here inside the LLM chat, which is the addition of NanoBanana Pro to the lineup of AI models that you can use within the same platform. And that's the key point. Why? A lot of people might say, but you can use NanoBanana Pro for free on Google's own platform. Yes, you can. However, with a very big limitation and without these features that are included here inside the LLM chat. Like, for example, being able to use all these artificial intelligence models, the most advanced ones on the market. All of them are available here under the same subscription. So, instead of paying just for Claude Cloud Sonic 4.5 or for Gemini 3 Pro, you don't have to do that. You pay only once and get access to all these models available here. So you can use them with much higher limits than you would have with a free Google account, for example. So, to use NanoBanana Pro here inside the LLM chat, it's very simple. Just click on Image. Then, here you can choose the model you want to use. Besides NanoBanana Pro, you have all these others here that are available. Since the goal here is to use the most advanced ones, I'm going to select NanoBanana Pro here. This space here is for you to type your prompt. Take a look at my prompt here. This is the secret. Why? If you use a very simple prompt, obviously your image won't match what you want to generate. So, notice that it's a very complete prompt to generate a thumbnail for YouTube. So, notice that here I have the objective, concept, visual style, composition and framing, lighting, background, facial expression, and so on. Everything has to be specified here in the prompt, so that your image is as accurate as possible, right? So, I'm going to copy my prompt here. I'll go back to the tool. I'll paste my prompt. Here, I can select the number of images I want to generate. And that's already an advantage of this LLM chat. Because if you're doing this over on Gemini, it won't work. You'll generate one image at a time. Here, I can generate up to 4 images. I'll leave it at just 1. As for the resolution, you can generate images at 1K, 2K, and 4K resolution. Just a reminder, 4K images are only available on the Google platform if you're inside Google AI Studio. And even then, you'll need to have a paid API key, not here. With the same subscription, you can select 4K images right here. And if you want, you can even upload an image here into the tool so you can edit it. Alright? Since that's not what we need here, I'm going to choose the 2K resolution. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to set it to 16:9, which is also an advantage because here you have several ratios to choose from. I'm going to leave it in thumbnail format, 16:9, and I'm going to ask it to generate. Done. It's already finished here, and just look at the quality of this image. He placed my character here on the side, already leaving space here in case I want to insert text. But in my case here, I prefer it to be a woman instead of this man here. So, you just need to ask for that in the prompt. Let's go. Here's my prompt. Look, edit the overall image, previously altered, making only the change of the character's gender from male to female. Then I asked here to keep all the other features, the lighting, the texture, the realism, everything the same. I'm going to copy this prompt here. Coming back here to the LLM chat, it's important that you choose the model you want to use. So in my case here, NanoBanana Pro is already selected. Then I come here to the prompt field and simply paste what I want to change. Once that's done, just send it. Done. It has already finished making the change here, and notice that now I have a woman instead of a man while keeping all the other features of the image. Well, I made this edit, it turned out nice, but now it's time to add some text, so let's do it. I'm going back to my prompt, and I'm asking the following. Edit the previously generated image, adding the text in Brazilian Portuguese. This tool is unreal. The text should be inserted strategically for a YouTube thumbnail, ensuring high readability even on small screens. So I have here all the other guidelines that must be followed. Let's go. I'll copy my prompt once again, come here to the chat and paste it. It's always important to pay attention to the model you're using here. So once again, NanoBanana Pro, and I'll send my command. Done. It's finished. And look how cool. It kept the image consistent with the same background, same lighting, same look, same physical features, everything just right. And it only added the text I asked for here. So this saves a lot of time. Because without leaving this tool, I can do practically any editing, any image generation without having to worry about taking it to another tool, because everything is included here inside the LLM chat. Now, there's another really cool feature, which is to integrate all workflows within a single tool. Take a look. I'm going to open a new chat here, and I'm going to ask the following. Research black holes. To do this research, I'm going to use Gemini 3 Pro here. Look, it thought for 4 seconds and it already brought me a very complete research about black holes. Now, let's suppose I want to turn the content of this research into an image, for example. So, I'm going to come here and ask the following. Pay attention to the prompt. Use the information from the research to write a prompt in English to generate an image that looks like a scientific magazine cover. The image of the black hole is featured on the cover, along with other news. The magazine headline says in English, "The Mystery Unveiled." Once that's done, I'll send it here, still using Gemini 3 Pro. So, it will take the information from my research and turn it into a prompt. Alright, it finished generating my prompt here, so I'll copy it, open a new chat, click on image, use the NanoBanana Pro again, type in my prompt, set the aspect ratio to 3:4 resolution to 2000K, and then I'll ask it to create my image. Alright, it's already finished here, and just look how cool this generation turned out. So, I asked the artificial intelligence to do some research for me, then I took the content from that research, asked the AI to turn it into a prompt, and from there, I used the NanoBanana Pro to create the image for my magazine. So, this entire workflow was done within a single platform, the Abacus AI Chat LLM. So, I didn't need to use separate tools to get this result. I didn't have to do the research using one AI, then ask another to turn it into a prompt, and a third one to create my image. No, everything was done inside the LLM chat. Pretty cool, right? With the arrival of the NanoBanana Pro to Abacus AI's LLM chat, it's clear that the future of AI platforms isn't in isolated tools, but in complete ecosystems. If you're looking for more visual control, higher quality, and a truly integrated workflow, this new feature deserves your attention. The link is in the description and in the first pinned comment. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.